Hey guys, this bob wig is from Myfirstwig. This wig is pretty standard. It comes with your combs and an adjustable strap in the back, so there's no need to use any type of glue or gel to secure this wig down. Just use the combs and you got yourself a glueless wig installed. This 10-inch blunt cut bob wig is made with Malaysian hair. In my opinion, Malaysian hair is a lot more smoother and silkier than Brazilian hair. Normally, I get wigs that is Brazilian or yaki, so it's very refreshing to get a wig that actually has the Malaysian texture to it. As some of you guys may know, the Malaysian texture is my favorite virgin hair. The density on this wig is normal, which is 100% density, so you're not getting a thick bob. And I actually like that the density on this wig is normal. So the big advantage to getting a normal density wig, especially when it comes to bobs, is it's able to have a lot more movement and it can give you that natural look. So just by styling this wig, I can tell that Myfirstwig really tried to create a wig that is friendly to everybody. You know, whether you are new to wigs or you are an expert in wigs, or you're a young girl trying to, get your life, or you're an older lady trying to get your life in these wigs. So basically what I'm saying is they made this wig as versatile as it can possibly be. So there's no way that you can mess this wig up. Like, as you can see, the wig comes pre-cut, so you don't have to do any cutting to the hair. Now, I will say, if you want to show your hairline on this wig, you will have to go in and do a little bit of plucking. You don't have to do a whole lot to get a natural hairline look. I do have several tutorials where I show you guys how to pluck your wig hairline. So to those who don't know how to pluck their hairline on their wigs, you don't even have to do that. Like, you literally can put this wig on, add a little bit of heat, whether you are straightening the hair or you're going to add some curls to it, and that's it. Like, literally. Even when it comes down to the part, I didn't have to pluck this part at all. I don't know if they paid attention to like my previous videos, but I hate when wig companies send me a wig and they have this skinny part that has been plucked, I guess by like a machine or something like that, because it definitely doesn't look hand plucked. And it's like, what is this? Nothing about this part looks natural. And I end up having to go in, repart my hair, and repluck to get it to look more natural. You guys know I'm always here for a wide part. I don't like those skinny parts, okay? And I assume that my first wig definitely paid attention to my previous remarks. And I think that's amazing, because that's another thing that someone who may be new to wearing wigs don't have to worry about. In today's world, everybody wants that natural look. So being able to get a wig and not have to do anything to it but simply add heat is amazing. Also, keep in mind the length of this wig makes this wig perfect for all year round wear. Also, be sure to check out that description bar. It has a lot of information on how to slay your wig. Also has a couple of coupon codes because they are having a major sale right now. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to purchase this wig. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.